Get ready for a sensory overload. The roar of engines, the crack of timber, and the sight of massive trees toppling in seconds. This video pushes the boundaries of logging like never before. Don't miss it.
Oh.
With surgical precision, the logger felled the century-old sugar pine. The steel MS661 chainsaw, renowned for its power and maneuverability, ripped through the dense heartwood, sending a cloud of sawdust skyward. Despite the tree's immense size, the experienced logger's technique ensured a controlled fall, minimizing damage to the surrounding forest. The problem wasn't the two stumps at the same time. The problem was that the truck just skidded, coupled with the fact that the Palancaro eater pulled out his paws. They are fully prepared to undertake the challenge.
Feel that? Hello. Oh, man. With roots and everything, man. That's the way it's done.
Colossal.
There we go.
Man.
The Komatsu 951XC harvester is an 8-wheeled forestry machine built for steep slopes and soft terrain. It features a 7.4-liter AGCO power engine delivering 214 kilowatts and 1,280 Newton meters torque, with a hydraulic system providing 528 liters per minute flow at 280 bar. Compact and powerful, it's equipped with a self-leveling cab for comfort and stability, making it ideal for dense forests. Mounted on various machinery, providing flexibility for different work environments. Whoa, stop right there. Cutting down trees? Absolutely not. This situation is far more alarming than it appears. Requires 42 gallons per minute hydraulic flow and operates at 6,000 pounds per square inch. With its durable convex DX protection and 130 horsepower power minimum, it's perfect for tough forestry and land clearing tasks. The LKT Turbo 81 demands absolute precision. With its powerful 750-watt motor and 4-stage planetary gearbox, this tool can tackle the toughest slopes, but even the slightest miscalculation can have serious repercussions. The danger inherent in this type of downhill work is far greater than any photograph can convey. While aesthetically unrefined, the device demonstrates the practical application of hydraulic force for efficiently splitting logs. The results speak for themselves. That tree holds immense potential energy, much like a coiled spring. Mismanagement can have disastrous consequences. Prioritize safety by understanding the forces at play. This video demonstrates the importance of proper technique in certified training. Remember, responsible operation ensures both your safety and the longevity of your equipment. Take advantage of your tall stump and hook up closer to the top, and it will act like a lever against the back roots, pulling them first. When putting the chain around the stump, it's okay to wrap it once or twice, but the slip hook should be hooked back to the main chain. That way it won't spin around the tree as you pull.
Part of my yard. I also removed the stumps, but mostly, yeah.
The Red Roo SHP 400 and Rice Corp Stump Humper are both reliable stump grinders. The SHP 400 features a 13 horsepower Honda engine, making it ideal for smaller jobs and DIY use, with easy maneuverability and a budget-friendly price. Barber chair is a risk you have to watch out for. One particular tree he was working on had its undercut pinched almost immediately, trapping the energy stored in the trunk. This led to the tree barber chairing on him. He knew it was a possibility and had assessed the tension in the trunk to keep it under control. Fortunately, the collapsing root plate absorbed most of the momentum, making the situation safer. The Cubic 2 redefines firewood processing. Its robust design and cutting-edge engineering translate to unparalleled efficiency. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. It's astonishing to realize that this enormous, solid piece of wood originated from a tiny seed. Once a mere sapling, it has grown into this massive form, ready to be transformed into numerous durable and beautiful objects. It's a testament to the power of nature that we can use such plants to construct immense structures in less time, giving you a significant competitive advantage. The Ponancy Bear is a forestry powerhouse with a 260 kilowatt engine, an 11-meter C6 crane, and the efficient H8 harvesting head. Its 8-wheel design and heavy-duty tires ensure stability, while fuel efficiency and easy maintenance make it a cost-effective choice for logging. This appears to be a Kenworth. The lumber industry has experienced a significant shift due to advancements in automation and precision cutting. These changes have fundamentally altered wood processing methods. In this analysis, we will examine the crucial steps involved in lumber production. Prepare to acquire a comprehensive understanding of this essential industry. Parts and advanced controls, it's built for efficient and durable performance in demanding forestry jobs. This video depicts a stump removal process in Finland. The machinery used is likely quite intriguing, wouldn't you agree? And accuracy in their wood processing.
Gracias totales.
The Brachy T26A is a powerful forestry machine designed for tough terrain. Weighing 3,600 kilograms with a disc diameter of 1,000 millimeters, 1,400 millimeters including teeth, it features a 140-bar hydraulic system and 100 liters per minute flow rate. Equipped with a 24-volt electrical system and PLC-based controls, it ensures efficient and reliable operation for forestry tasks. This Finnish-engineered marvel redefines stump removal. The Vekava can't